Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Without good grammar, there's no language. In order to communicate with one another and to connect with the rest of the world, people are using new terms, which are influencing the correct use of grammar, which is making it difficult for scholars to write effective academic content. Because academic writing is the foundation for disseminating information, researchers need to be able to write research papers that are free of grammatical errors. Whatever the main conclusions of your studies are, if you don't write a good research paper with correct grammar, it's not worth anything. When researchers check research papers, they must make use of appropriate grammar checker tools. In this video we're going to discuss how you can check the grammar in your research papers with a web tool. Let's begin. First we need to understand, what is a grammar checker? A grammar checker is software to ensure that the text in question conforms to the rules of standard English grammar. In other words, a grammar checker is an element of more complex programs such as word processors. The grammar checker is a tool that allows for the detection and correction of any grammatical mistake or error in writing. The document will be checked by the grammar checker for errors in punctuation, capitalization, improper use of words as well as a few minor mistakes. What is the importance of using a grammar checker tool? The accuracy and clarity of the structure characterizes most academic writing. If you take advantage of a tool to check your English and grammar on the internet, so that you can submit your article for publication in an editorial journal, it will thus be easier to comply with definitive publishing standards. Therefore, in order to enforce standards such as the use of appropriate language and correct grammar for each area of study, as well as the restriction of the number of words and the academic journal style guidelines, inspection tools are increasingly needed. The use of a grammar checker is necessary as it offers several benefits, including the following. 1. Improve readability score. The primary aim of the authors is to communicate their views to the reader in a way that is understandable to them in the context of the content to be presented to them. But the reader loses interest in continuing to read that article and goes on with something else if its content grammar is not good enough. 2. Improve writing skills. If you want to significantly improve your writing skills, the grammar checker is a useful tool that will help you quickly correct all of your grammatical mistakes. 3. Saves time. In the case of grammatical and punctuation errors, it takes considerable time to edit and proofread a large part of the text. By allowing the user to check and fix their errors, the checker will help prevent users from wasting time. How to check grammar in a research paper. Every professional writer can write well. When you're working on the research paper and want to express your opinion in a clear, understandable way, it greatly affects who reads what you write. Editpad gives users access to a free grammar checker that can identify and fix vocabulary, punctuation, and capitalization errors in a matter of seconds. When you submit your research paper, this grammar checker scans the text and detects improper grammar within the document, allowing you to correct your mistakes in your research paper. How to use Editpad or grammar checker. To use this grammar checker, go to the following steps. 1. The text you want to enter can be typed in, or users can save time by being able to paste the necessary content directly into the input area. 2. After that, click on Check Grammar button. This automated tool scans the document for errors and provides a possible solution to fix them. And within seconds, you can remove all your writing errors. Silent feature 3, charge-free. You can use this grammar checker without any cost at any time, and it is suitable for usage on any smart device. Additionally, it offers a tool that allows users to alter the content that has been checked, along with various marvelous features. 4. Highlight mistakes. After reviewing the whole paper and verifying it, it will highlight spelling mistakes in red, along with any errors in punctuation and grammar, which will be highlighted in yellow. 5. Fix spelling errors. It will be helpful to correct all of the spelling errors that have been noticed in the sentence. This function offers the most beneficial recommendation for correcting the spelling mistakes that were found. 6. Remove incorrect usage of punctuation. All incorrect punctuations will be detected and removed from the research paper with the help of this amazing grammar checker. 7. Resolve all errors. The checker will display the total number of errors and will provide the user the opportunity to correct all of the grammatical and spelling faults present in the submitted file. By inadvertently plagiarizing, making errors of grammar or forgetting to acknowledge sources, a good research report can be mistaken for a bad one. If you're writing a paper, you'll lose your credibility if you're not careful with the wording or the structure of the sentences. One of the best ways to remove all grammatical errors is to use a grammar checker from Editpad. .org. It'll scan your research paper, find any writing errors and fix them. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.